All right, guys, welcome back, man. This is Mike with RDDC, and today we are looking at the Hot Wheels Silver Series European 6-pack. So we're going to open this up and take a better look at all 6 cars that come in this set. All right, so here we go. We got the lid open. So this it's got a clear window so we can see the cars. But we got the BMW 507. We got the Audi RS5 Coupe. We got the Volkswagen Golf MK7. We got the Mercedes 190e 2.5 16. We got the Alfa Romeo V6 GT 3.0. And we got the 1996 Porsche 911 Carrera. So there we go, guys. All right, let's open her up and let's take a look at each car individually just a little bit better here. So it's, Okay, so the first one out of the 6 cars is the BMW 507. So this one is a deep navy blue with a red interior. It is a convertible, so it is the Elvis Presley car. But yeah, really nice 507 with kind of chrome 5-spoke wheels there. We got the Audi RS5 Coupe in a what I call LSB Laguna Seca blue or baby blue with the black stripe 10-spoke wheels. So looking pretty good there, man. So not a bad looking car. Looks like got a carbon roof also. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Next is the Volkswagen Golf MK7. So this one's in gold with the black 10-spoke wheels also. So kind of blacked out on the windows too. Pretty cool. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So next one coming up, it's one of my favorites. It's the Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5-16 in a high metallic red there. So yeah, that one is pretty cool, man. That's a little nice addition to the Hot Wheels lineup there. So then we got the Alfa Romeo V6 GT 3.0. This is in kind of like a jade kind of light green there. Not bad with the little 5-star wheels, a little stripe on the side. So yeah, not bad. On kind of an underrated car, I guess you could say, for Hot Wheels, but it's in the set. It looks pretty cool. All right, the last one is the 1996 Porsche 911 Carrera in a kind of a Nardo gray. It has kind of like a brown clay tint to it, but that one is actually really nice too. All right, guys, that concludes our review of the 6-car Silver Series European set. So let me know which one is your favorite, because I have a soft spot for the BMW. Yeah, that's correct. The 507 Porsche is cool, and the Mercedes 190e 2.5 is cool, but also that BMW, man. So it's the reason why I bought the set. It's because I need a loose BMW for my collection. So, and that one wasn't in there. But let me know what you guys think, man. Which car is your favorite out of the set? Go ahead and, hit that follow button, subscribe, send a comment, and, yeah, let me know what you think, guys. All right, take care.